Hi friends! Today's lesson is for Module 1, Lesson 10. Our learning goal for today says, I can find hidden partners in numbers to 5. Okay, so we are going to do what exactly? I just forgot. We're going to be counting up to high? 5, thank you very much. And when we're counting, we're going to look for what? Hidden partners. Okay, so by the end of this video, you should be able to at least count up to 5 and also be able to see some hidden partners. Okay, we know that if we're going to be looking for hidden things and to have great counting, we need to get our eyes ready for some good observations. Are you ready, friends? Oh, good. Here we go. All right, so let's see. Let me get some counters out to help us. And perfect. Now, as you can see, Miss R was a little sloppy today, and I kind of just threw the counters on the table. Let's start by counting to see how many we have all together. How are we going to do that? What do you think? Yeah, I like that. We're going to start in one spot and then follow a kind of a path. Let's start up high and let's go low and across, okay? Can you get your good counting finger and go ahead and tap on the screen with me as I count? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. All right, so how many counters are on the table? 4. Perfect. All right, who can see some hidden numbers inside that 4? I'm going to give you a hint. The hidden numbers are also different colors. Okay, there's my hint. Oh, thank you. All right, so you see 3 as a hidden partner because look at 1, 2, 3. I have 3 pinks. That means my other part is going to be the blue. How many blues do I have? 1. So the 2 hidden buddies in this number 4 are 3 and 1. Excellent job. Ooh, thanks for doing such good observing of this number. Here we go. Let's try another one. What if I did, this with all my counters? Oh, Miss Howard's getting kind of fancy. I kind of made it look like a little circle almost. All right. Okay, we need to first, let's count the total and see how many we have. I like that idea. When it's in a circle, I like to draw a little bit of a line and then do my counting around in my path so I don't forget my direction. And the last one, we could kind of go from top to bottom and then over. But if I just keep going in a circle, I might get confused. So I'm going to put that line to show me where I began. All right, line and then start. Can you count with me as I go? Here we go. Oh, use your good tapping finger to tap on the counters as we count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so how many counters are on the table now? Ding, 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 ding. 5. Good job, friends. All right, I'm going to just pause for a minute. I want you to think, can you find 2 hidden partners in that 5? Remember, use the colors, friends. All right, press pause and try to figure out the hidden partners, and then press play to tell me. Okay, you know your hidden partners? Are you sure? If not, press pause. Okay. All right, so let's look at the blues. What number goes with the blue hidden partners? Great job, 3. 1, 2, 3. And what number shows the hidden partners that are pink? Oh, even better, friend. 1, 2. So you could say the total was 5 and the hidden partners were 3 and 2. Excellent job. Shall we try another one? Ooh, this one's gonna get really tricky. I'm gonna shake up my counters and voila. Ooh, Now they're all over the place. Okay, this time I am not gonna help you count the total amount. I want you to go ahead and press pause, count the total amount. Remember, come up with a good plan for your path. Then press play to check yourself, okay? Go for it, friends. Press pause, figure it out. Okay, did you count your counters going on a good path? Oh, I like it. Miss Howard again is going to start at the top and then go down to the bottom row. So I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 was my total amount. Did you get 5? You did? All right, good. Go ahead and get your fist and say yes. Good counting. Okay, now what are we looking for? We know the total amount is 5. Good. We're going to look for those hidden partners. Go ahead and press pause. Go ahead, figure out what the hidden partners are. Tell someone sitting close by you. What are the hidden partners you see in that 5? Press play to check yourself. Go ahead and hit pause. Okay, you have your hidden partners. Let's start with the blue hidden partners. What number can we say for the blues? Yeah, 1. There's just one of those guys. So one of the hidden buddies is 1. Or is 1. All right, what about the pink hidden buddies? How many of those do we have? Yes, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, we are so good, I must say. All right, so we could say my total amount is 5, but I saw hidden partners that were 1 and 4. Have you noticed anything about these hidden partners? Yeah, they don't always stay the same, right? In some of them, it's like a bigger chunk, and in other ones, it's a smaller chunk. Like this one of the hidden buddies was 1. That's pretty small. And the other hidden partner was 4. That's pretty big. So do we think hidden partners always have to be the same amount? No, they don't. You're right. Good job. All right, let's keep cruising. Ooh, man, now I'm getting a little wild. All right, do you know what to do? Okay, I'm not going to even give you any instructions. Press pause, figure out all the information you need to, and then press play to check yourself. Go ahead, press pause. Think about our learning goal. All right, you answered our learning goal with this one? Okay, what was the total amount that you found, friend? Yes, 4. I started over here and kind of made an L shape when I counted. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our total amount was 4. And what are our hidden partners on the inside of that 4? Did you say 2 and 2? Friend, you are totally right. How can our hidden partners be the same number? Oh, I cannot even trick you guys today. Yeah, because there are 2 pinks and there are 2 blues. Oh, you are too good. So I could say the total amount is 4 and it has hidden partners of 2 and 2. Amazing. All right. Our learning goal for today says, I can find hidden partners in numbers to 5. And that's exactly what we did today. Friend, you did fantastic. This is what I would like you to do. I want you to go ahead for your exit ticket. I want you to make a video telling me what the total amount is and the 2 hidden partners that you see. Okay? I cannot wait to hear and see all of your good work. Good luck, friends.